right, so I got my trusty assistant over here today. Loki, look, say one. Say what's up, look. Tell him say roof. No roof? Okay, so we're gonna clean the 556. So y'all stick around and see what we're gonna do. Gotta get Loki man a treat. Loki man like treats. Alright, so we already got everything broken down. So like I said, everything broken down. Took the 556 apart. Bulk carry group, took it out. Firing pin, everything out. It's all apart. Took out the spring, took out the buffer. We're gonna clean all that out. Don't have a bore snake to clean out the barrel, but Loki's looking. So, all right, we're gonna get to this. All right, so we took out the bulk carry group. We got the pin. We got the what you call this, the cam, and we took the carry out, firing pin out, spring out, buffer out. Charging handle is new, so that's good. And like I said, don't have a bore snake for. Okay, Loki's running off. So, but we're gonna clean out the two on the inside, clean out trigger and all that. So we're gonna get to it. Oh, I already sprayed off my brake, clean some of the carbon out, and I'm gonna show y'all a trick too when I go to clean my light. A little trick that somebody told me a while back. We'll see how it works out. All right, so got my paper towel. I'm gonna go on and run it in there a little bit, clean it out a little bit. So I'm gonna mess with it a little bit. Alright, so I ran it through and pushing it down in there, cleaning it out. Alright, so clean that through the barrel, did the bolt, firing pin, clamp, the latch, spring, whatever. Alright, so now I gotta do spring and the buffer tube. Alright, so that's my light, and as you can see, it's full of the smoke. So what old dude told me was use a eraser. So let's see. I don't know. Got some of it off. Guess I gotta keep working with it. See how I do. Of course, it's not connected to the source clear. So let's see. Gas is still on it. Let's see. Keep working with it. I'll get back. All right, so everything's scrubbed down, cleaned down, about to lube it up and put it all back together. Ready to go. Clean the barrel out, took the barrel all the way through. Use the push rod. Use the shooter's lube to clean it all up with the solvent. Now I'm about to oil it back up with the shooter's lube put it back together. Alright, so put the boat carrier group back together, put the charging handle in. Go ahead and do that. Clean this out, the buffer tube. So about to put the spring back in and the buffer. Alright, bro. So put the buffer spring back in, put the buffer in, charging handle, boat carrier group. So all we gotta do is piece it back together. Put it on this side. Put the pins in. One side, other side, ready to go. Of course, you know she clear. But alright, so Venom clean. Don't panic because the can is clean. Number 2 and number 1 ready to go. You do OG $2 had to do that maintenance, baby.